Guys, it is Sunday afternoon about 5 o'clock and I'm getting ready to go outside, and I thought you guys might like to see what it looks like. So here we go. Got a little snow in front of the garage door. I don't know if you can see, but I am in snow. Let me get this thing out here. Give me a minute. There you go. See how deep the snow is? I'm up to my knees in snow. Still up to my knees in snow. Going by the swing set, kind of. Still up to my knees in snow. So it's at least 20 inches deep, if not more. I'm still up to my knees in snow. I'm down, getting close to the tree swing now. Still 20 inches, getting deeper. Whoa. Now it's over my knees. Still up to my knees. I'm almost to the shed, but not quite. You can see where I am. And if you look back, you can see my tracks. Still going. Oh yeah, check out the dumpster.
Here's what the old highway in Sabetha looks like with 17 inches of snow piled up a couple days after the storm. I thought you Texans would like to see this, and maybe some of the rest of you too. And here's Main Street. Gotta drive around the piles. Like I said, they're kind of like a giant traffic circle. So here, there's barely room to get between this car and the snow. So we're gonna go around here. There's our old church building coming up and the library. But we gotta drive around this pile to get there. There you can kind of see down the street, see the big piles. We're gonna park here. And then I'm going to show you the pile that we just drove around. Give you an idea how big they are. There's a car coming beside it to show you how big it is. All right.